Hello everyone and welcome back. Winter is here and with the colder temperatures we experience dry and flaky skin. Today I'm going to make a simple homemade cucumber face mask for hydrating skin. This can be easily made fresh from the items available in the kitchen. So let's get started. The ingredients of this mask are a cucumber. We're going to grate the cucumber, and then I have ground rolled oats into fine powder, yogurt, and then raw honey. Cucumber is really good for health. There is a lot of health benefits in it. It is rich in vitamin C and caffeic acid, and caffeic acid has anti-inflammatory properties, so it's good for acne and dry skin. And also now I'm going to add oats, a tablespoon of yogurt and oats. These are very good for exfoliating. Usually in the dry weather, skin gets flaky, so it's important to exfoliate the skin. And raw honey. I'm using raw honey here because raw honey has all the properties that are good for health. So just to make it a little bit moisturizing, that's the reason why I'm using raw honey. Just a little bit. Give it a stir and make it into, if you feel this is runny or it's not like a pack, you can add more rolled oats to it. That becomes thicker. Or you can reduce the yogurt. My mixture has become a little bit runny. I mean, for the mask, it should be a little bit coarse, so I'm adding more oats to it. And that's, I mean, it's just about the consistency, that's all. Well, as you can see, this face mask is ready. It has got cooling properties, hydrating properties, and also anti-inflammatory properties. And basically, because we have used yogurt and oats in it, it acts like an exfoliator. So if you don't want your skin to be exfoliating, then you can get rid of those. But basically the idea behind it is cucumber has lots of good properties in it. It is beneficial for the skin. It's all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.